thought I saw Dad again.
I think I'm going mad.
Lara, your father's gone. At some point, we have to face up to who we are, who we're meant to be.
I think I know where my dad went.
That's right in the middle of the Devil's Sea.
It'll be an adventure.
Death is not an adventure. What are you doing here, Laura?
7 years I've been on this island. Your father, he put me here.
Now I see the likeness, the intelligence, the recklessness.
What do you know about my father?
Thought I couldn't breathe without you. I'm inhaling.
Laura, there was more to my life than boardrooms and business deals.
Thought that I would die without you, but I'm living.
There's an organization called Trinity. It's looking to start a global genocide.
Your dad sure you had a bigger holiday.
He had a knack for the unexpected.
Thought that I would self-destruct.
You must stop them, Laura. Promise me.
Really? I'm a survivor.
Ladies first.
I'm not gonna give up.
Open the tube!
I'm not gonna stop her. I'm gonna work harder. I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop her. I'm gonna work harder. I'm a survivor. I'm gonna make it.
Put it down!
It's your finger that's pulling this trigger.
You messed with the wrong family.